Hello everyone, Dana here, and this is another short video on how to create reels. And this time it's using Canva, and it's again total beginner. You don't need to have any previous knowledge. I'll just show you some quick ways of creating a reel. And this is the part three of two other parts. The three parts will show you how to create or how I created the collab reel where we created each of us partners created short videos on showing where you work from, and then I put them all together onto some reels. And I want you to be able to do just the same. I'm happy that you love my videos and enjoyed them so much, but I want you to be able to create even better than me. So that's my goal today, to show you how I did it, and for you to be able to create your own similar ones. So with that, let's go. And this is Canva. So you just canva.com. You just type it on a browser, and it's opening Canva for you. For me, I have it again. I have Canva Pro. I'll try to use things that are not Pro today, so you can do this without any extra cost. And remember, in video 2, I created a short intro. In video 1, I created some collab reel. Now here, the intent is take those from Capcut and put them in Canva, where I create a end-to-end reel. Okay, so first thing, you click create, and of course, that's what you do here. You want to create a reel, you type reel, and it shows you what type of reel. I select the reel type. That's what I want to create, a reel. Okay, and now it's starting showing. You can use templates. So Canva has templates too. So let's see, if I go here on the templates, and remember, ours is kind of about places, so let's do a travel. And I think is, I remember right, I used, so you can use, if you don't have Capcut, you can use some of these. They are very similar. You can click on it to see how it goes, and it's adding it to work in here. Video also, sound also. But for me, I don't like this one. I want to use maybe, see, very similar ones as the Capcut one. So maybe I'll do in the future one where I show you how to use templates from Canva, but it's very easy, very similar. But for today, so I'll delete this one because I don't want this one. And I'll upload in here the video that I created in step 2 because I have my own intros, right? So I don't want it from here. I want to get my own intro that I created. If I can find it now. Yes, I do. This one. Remember the intro reel? So I'll go and drop it in here. And you can see still uploading it. Okay, it finished uploading. And now, so you can see it's a bit smaller. If you do set or right click on it, set video up as background, it's setting it as big as the full reel. By default, when you drag and drop it there, it may be smaller. So now I have this. I think it's a pretty good intro video. Now I want just some text on it to say, you wouldn't believe where we work from, right? So let me see if I can find some. See, I kind of like this one, and actually I end up using this one for the outer part, but using the text for the intro over my intro. So again, it's, oh, if I click on it now, it replaced my stuff. So I go undo. I don't want to replace it. I want to add it in here, right? Go back, and this one, click it, it added it in here. Okay, so now I have kind of my intro. I just want the text on it. I have my outer, and then I'll need my middle videos, the ones I created in step 1, where it's the collaboration videos with a text over it. And let me go and bring those in here too, so we have all the videos. And to remember, I created this one. And
oh yeah, that's my office for today. Online.
Okay, and same, remember, set videos background because I want it bigger. Still uploading it. Okay, it's finished. And then I think I use Resolin. Sorry about that. Right? So I have these two videos, and now I drag and drop it where I want it. See, this is like you move them where you want, in which order you want. I want my intro, then I want my video, then I want the Resolin, and then I want the end. You can add here as many videos you want. You can see here it's showing you how many seconds it's going to be. So this is already 30 something seconds. As you keep adding it, keep in mind the reel. You don't want to be over a minute. They are saying right now, Instagram allows 90 seconds or even 3 minutes, I guess. But what they say is keep them shorter because no one is watching them until the end. So that's why I usually try to keep my reels under a minute if possible, just so the people are watching it to the end, because usually I have a pretty good call to action at the end of the reel, so I want people to be able to watch them. So so I have my intro, I have my videos. Let me show you. I really like this text in here, so I'll select it and control. If I select control shift or shift, actually, if I do click on it, press shift and click this, it's selecting both of them, and I want both of them together. I'll show you. I want to group it, and then I can move them together, because you can see they had this fancy E and then explore, and I kind of like that idea. So now I can take this from here, I can copy it because I want it on my intro. That was my intent. So I want some more after this to show, and then I paste it in here, right? Okay. So now it's copied in here. So you can see if I play. Now I don't want to say explore. So now I go in here, and instead of explore is you what believe work from. You can put whatever. That was what I did there, so I want to keep it consistent. Okay, and then the W, not the W, the Y. Okay, I don't like how it's overlapping. So in order to move them separately, now I have to click ungroup, right? So I click on them, right? They are grouped. When you select the group, you can see this ungroup automatically. Just click on ungroup, you ungroup it, and now I can move this thing by its own, and this one. So I like the Y, maybe even bigger, but this one a bit smaller. And you can see how this yellow is kind of blending it in. I'll go and change the color. Once you select an item, here is the color for that item. So let's see how yellow looks, red looks. Oh, much better. Let's do it for the Y also. Okay, and maybe for the Y, to make it a bit different, let's do a different effect on it. About that or that. Maybe that. Up to you which one you like. Okay, I like this one. So you would, I have a misspell here. You would not believe where we work from. Okay, and I don't want it back to group this, because now I like it. I want to group them together. I don't want them immediately from beginning. I want them a bit later to start. So once you select, this is text, this is the video. You can move it and decide where exactly in the timeline, right? So this is your timeline. What exactly in the timeline you want to start? So let's say, okay, I want to start this part, and here, okay, actually I put it pretty good. Here I want to start the text. So let's see. And this is is getting a bit way too long. So what I'm going to do, I click on the video, and now here you see it's 17 seconds. It's way too long. People will get lost, will get bored, and will not watch it all the way to the part where I want them to see me. So you can go and drag this to make it as small as you want. So I think I'm good for until here, which is 7 seconds. It's more than enough. So now this whole thing, play. At the beginning, then.
Oh yeah, that's my office for today. Online business works.
Office where my son can play here with me.
Then it's listening.
This is
And then it's the end. Okay, Rosalind was saying this is my something.
I love you.
Oh, okay.
This is
So you
my
can do the
office
same for
where
this.
my
And then here at the end, maybe we can say, what did I say? No, I think we say something like, this is our office, or something like this, right? You can write whatever you want here. At the end, delete all these other things I don't want. This is way too long. You can make it from here a bit shorter. So this is now how it looks.
Oh yeah, that's my office for today. Online business works.
This is my office where my
One more thing to add. I want to do a video, not a video, an audio over my Niagara Falls things. So the whole to have a, so let's see, maybe if I look for some, depends what you want, you can search in here. Let's see, here is showing you. I like this, I drag and drop it here, or I click plus, and I want to show here over me, where I see, not from beginning, I want to start beginning, but where I start talking, I want the audio also to be, and audio will be louder than me.
Oh yeah, that's my office for today. Online business works.
So this is pretty loud, and this is the audio. You can make it, you know, louder or not that loud. And same when you select the video or the audio. So let's see.
This is my office where my son can
Right, the audio even less. Let's see, because it wants to be.
Online business works.
This is my office where my son can play here with me. I love you.
Okay. So this is kind of how you put together the intro, the videos, and some ending. You can add the call to action, whatever you want here. And then you go, you share it, you download it as an MP4, download all the pages. And once it's downloaded, you can go and use it on whatever social media you want to post it. I hope it helps. I hope you find it easy and useful. And until next time, keep at it.